Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly. So in this video we are going to learn how to create a AWeber subscriber from LinkedIn leads. So here I am running an ad on LinkedIn, and in this case I want whenever a new lead is received, automatically that lead should be added as a subscriber in my AWeber account. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect, in which we need to connect our trigger and our action. So in this process, our trigger application will be LinkedIn and our action application will be AWeber. So to learn this process step by step, let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. So in this video, we are going to learn how to create an AWeber subscriber from a LinkedIn lead. So to automate this process, we will use an automation software named as Pabbly Connect. This is the homepage of Pabbly Connect. You can visit this page by simply browsing for the URL pabbly.com/connect. Here you can see two options that are sign in and sign up free. If you're a new user, click on sign up free and get free 100 tasks every month to explore the software. And if you're an existing user, click on sign in. Here I'm an existing user, so I'm clicking on sign in. After signing in, you can see all Pabbly apps window where you can see all the applications of Pabbly. Here to connect my applications, I'm going to use Pabbly Connect. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here you can see a create workflow button on the top right corner. Here to create a new workflow, I'm going to click on this button. In this create workflow dialog box, we have to give a name to our workflow. Here I'm giving the name as create AWeber subscriber from LinkedIn leads. And now I'm going to select my folder as automations. You can select your folder as per your need. Also, you can create multiple folders to save your workflows accordingly. And now to create a workflow, I'm going to click on this create button. Here in this workflow window, you can see two most important principles of an automation process, that are trigger and action. Where trigger says when this happens and action says do this. That means action is a response towards our trigger. Your automation can have a single trigger but multiple action steps. Now let's start our automation by simply setting up a trigger. Here I'm going to select my trigger application as LinkedIn lead gen forms and my trigger event as new lead gen form response. And now to connect my LinkedIn lead gen forms with Pabbly Connect, here I'm going to click on this connect. Here to build a new connection, I'm going to select add new connection. If your LinkedIn lead gen form account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on this connect with LinkedIn lead gen forms. And authorization successful. So it easily got connected because I was already logged in my LinkedIn lead gen form account. Moving back to Pabbly. Moving forward, it is asking for account. So here I'm going to select my account as Naveen Kole, as my account is created with the name Naveen Kole. Moving forward, for the lead form, here I'm going to select my lead gen form as simple lead gen form. So here I've selected a single form because I want only the leads of this form should be added as a subscriber in my AWeber. So now let me take you to my LinkedIn lead gen form account. Here you can see I've created some campaigns whose status are draft. That means these are the dummy campaigns and not a live campaign. So now to get a trigger response, here I'm going to submit a new response. Here I'm going to fill this dummy campaign by clicking on this apply now. Here you can see it is asking for email address and phone number. So here I'm going to enter an email address such as demo123@pabblytunes.com and a random phone number. And now you can see the first name, last name and company name are already filled. And here I cannot change these details because this is a dummy campaign. But if your campaign is live, then you can change the details of this first name, last name and company name. And now moving forward, here I'm going to click on this submit. And here you can see the information is sent to Pabbly. So moving back to Pabbly. Now here before clicking on save and send test request, let me remind you that only the latest lead will be captured by Pabbly Connect. So now here I'm going to click on the save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response where we have received email address, random phone number, first name and last name. So with this, we have successfully set up our trigger. Now let's move to action step. Here I'm going to select my action application as AWeber. And my action event is add or update a subscriber. And now I'm going to click on this connect. Again here to build a new connection, here I'm going to select add new connection. If your AWeber account is already connected with Pabbly Connect, then you can click on select existing connection. And now I'm going to click on this connect with AWeber. Here I've already entered my ID and password. And now I'm going to click on this allow access as your data is secured with Pabbly. And authorization successful. Moving forward, after building the connection, automatically this account ID will be updated. Moving forward for the list ID, here I've already created a list ID with the name new customer. So here I'm going to select that list ID. Moving little more forward, here it is asking for full name and email. So instead of entering the data manually, here I will map the data. Mapping data means insert data from previous step. That means here I will map the data from the response I've received in my LinkedIn lead gen form. Mapping makes our text dynamic so that whenever a new lead detail is added, automatically the existing lead details are updated proceeded with the new lead details. So now here I am going to map the full name. Searching for the name, last name. Moving forward, here I am going to map the email. Moving forward, these fields are not required fields, so here I am going to leave them blank. Moving forward, here I am going to map the mobile number. Moving forward, and now I am going to click on this save and send test request. And here you can see we have successfully received a response. So now let's go and check our AWeber account. And here in our AWeber account, you can see we have created a new subscriber with the name first name, last name. Email as demo123@pabblytunes.com. So with this, we have successfully set up our automation. Now let me summarize this whole video for you. So here we have taken our trigger as LinkedIn lead gen forms and our action as AWeber, so that whenever a new lead is generated, automatically it should be added as a subscriber in my AWeber. If you want to use the same workflow, then you can find the clone link in the description box below. I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching. Not only these applications, you can integrate many other applications with Pabbly Connect. If you have any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. If you have any query, you can contact us on forum.pabbly.com. And if you have any pricing related issue, then you can contact us on www.pabbly.com. If you liked the video, please subscribe to our channel and share it with your friends.